Hello, welcome to the second part of this exercise. Let's see, change to sketches. Since I missed it. Okay. Yep. Now let's change maybe this one, turn it around. The y-axis 180 and go to top, turn it clockwise. Yes. Okay, let's draw a circle. Take a look. Yeah, somewhere, doesn't matter. The radius is 10. Then make a copy. From here to, that's 86.5. Yep. Draw a line right here. Draw another line over here. Maybe something like that. And again here, like this. Then turn it. And that should be -30. And this one -30. Yep. Make radius 10. Yep. And select all. Enter. Yep. Let's make a 3-point circle. First, second, third. And let's move this. Move all the objects. Take the center and move it to 0, 0. Yep. Okay. I don't need this anymore. No, so I can delete it. And I have to connect this, that one, this one, that line, and this arc. Now change this to volume and make an extrusion. Extrude Okay, enter and make this one, it's 10. Okay. Change back to sketch or just change to removed volume and make a cylinder. Center point should be right here, 0.0. That's 0, 0. The radius should be, let's take a look, 27. And the height should be 10. Okay. Then back to this one and subtract from this body the red one. So it seems this was too big. So I will change that cylinder and make the radius 20. Let's take a look. And subtract from this one, that one. Yeah, that's more like it. Yes. Okay. Okay, so let's turn this body. Zero is the base point, and I think it's minus 105. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think, yes. Okay, so maybe I might hide the sketches. Okay. Then I need a cylinder right here, radius 5, and I need it on a different layer. I need it on the removed volume layer. And that should be 10. Yes, that's okay. Then I need a polar array, or I could do them manually, but I want to do polar array. Select this red object. Center should be 0, 0. I need 3 items, and it should be non-associative. That's okay. And now I want to make a difference. So from this one, subtract that one, and that one, and remove this. Okay, now I could join these two bodies. Nice. So next I have to change my coordinate system, and therefore I will show the curves. Yes. And I will align my coordinate system to this object right here. So there is a command object, and move it to this object. Okay, let's take a look on the front. and maybe turn it likewise. Now I have to turn it around to, yeah, so I will maybe I should hide this one, then it's easier, or I could go for a different view style as well. So let's turn our axis system around the x-axis 90 degrees and then around the z-axis, come on, and 90 or minus 90 degree, yeah, that's okay. Change this one to wireframe and show our volume, yeah, and hide curves and switch to activate sketches. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. Okay, let's draw a circle again. Where is it? Yeah. Radius is 10. Make a copy. That's the base point, and the distance is 254. Okay. Draw a line. Okay. Then make another copy. This one. That's the base point, and move it at 20.5. 54.5. Yep. Make again a copy of this one from here over there, and that should be 233.5. Maybe that's wrong. Why? Yeah. Let's move this one in this direction, 20.5. Yeah. Now make a line, tangent to this circle, tangent to that circle, enter, draw another line, tangent, tangent, enter, and another line right here. Okay, now let's trim, select all objects, yep, enter, then join these, Yep. And then I have to move it. Move. That's to move. Base point should be the midpoint between 2 points. First point, midpoint right here. Second point, midpoint right here. So I got the base point and I will move it to the center of that one. Okay. Nice. Now let's make an extrusion. Maybe hide the curves. Change to volume. Okay. Make an extrude. Enter in that direction. Come on. This is a little bit irritating, so it's 10, I suppose, or it's 10. Let's take a look if I did it in the right direction. Change this from wireframe to realistic, and yeah, did it in the right direction. Great. So now let's hide the sketches. Okay. And now I make another cylinder on the removed volume. Turn it a little bit. Okay. Make a cylinder. That's 0, 0. The radius should be, I think it's again 10. Or is it 20? Let me take a look. It's 20. Yes, and in that direction it should be 10. Okay. Now let's make an array. That's a rectangular array, and I want to use this cylinder. Make it 3 in X direction, 1 in Y direction, and the distance should be 82. Yeah, looks okay. Close the array and then remove from this one, that one, that one, and that one, and delete this one. Okay, looks nice, and I could already join these two bodies. Yeah, looks nice. Then I need some small cylinders. So I need some more holes. I will do it with small cylinders. Let's take a look. Yeah, I need one small cylinder at the center of this, and the radius is 5 and direction is this one and it's 10. And go back to top, turn it, zoom it and make copies of these. So that's the one over here. Enter. Next. Center, move it to the center of this one and to the center of that one and to the center of this one. Let's take a look again on top. So move them, this one, and that one. Enter. Base point should be center point in that direction 10. Yeah, that's more like it. And then I need some more copies. I could do it with an array, but the drawing which I have is sort of strangely annotated. So let's make copies. That's more convenient. So make another copy from the solid and base point right here, and that's the distance is 84.5. Enter. Same applies to this side. Base point right here. It's 84.5. And then make copies of these two. So copy of that one and that one. Enter, base point, and move it up 54.5. Why? Yeah, that's okay. Now I have to remove these 8 from the other bodies. So let's go to difference, take this and select that one. Yeah, I want to remove all at once, so it would be best to select it, select similar, yes, and group them. Example. It's group, yes, and now make a difference. Take this, select, enter, and select the group, enter, and now they are removed all at once. Okay, and I'm done. Let's zoom it all in, and yeah, nice. And see you next time.